#1 TEAS Prep and HESI Prep course in the country. With over 5,000 successful students having scored high 80s and 90s on the TEAS online. Interactive classes. Dr. Brian Adkins is a medical doctor. He has over 15 years of experience teaching nursing students to pass their exams and become a registered nurse. So, you have certainly found the best tutor for the TEAS exam.
Hey, this is Dr. Brian Adkins with the Adkins Academy. I want to take an opportunity to give you a sneak peek at kind of what we do in our class. And so this is just one of the classes we just finished, our science class. Went over the endocrine system, talked about kind of the ins and outs of the endocrine system. But we also talked about several other aspects of science. We also talked about the synapse and understanding just how the synapse works in terms of electrical activity, different neurotransmitters. We talked about the ligand receptor interaction. We talked about really how to understand how this all works in terms of getting you that action potential later on. And so these are the types of questions. That they expect for you to. These are the types of concepts that they expect for you to know to really get your TEAS score into the 80s and 90s. So don't wait. Don't just study stuff in the book. Don't just go over random things. Really make sure that you understand exactly how the concepts work. So things like osmosis here, understanding exactly how the system works and concepts works, because they're going to expect that you know this and you understand it when it comes to the TEAS test. Okay, is you want to make sure that you've mastered the concepts, you've mastered the material, you really understand it thoroughly and fully, so that you too can go into the TEAS test and do very well. So this is one where we talk about the circulatory system and just understanding the flow of blood through the circulatory system, understanding where blood goes, what's oxygenated, what's deoxygenated, and making sure that you understand the concepts there. We also talk about basic science concepts in terms of cell and molecular biology, in terms of genetics and understanding just really how to apply your knowledge there. And so don't just leave it up to chance. Don't just leave it up to maybe, if, we'll see, right? Go through real questions. We have real questions that we go through. All of these questions I go through with my students directly and make sure that they understand it and they know it and they can ask questions anytime. Okay, so if you're looking for a great experience to really learn and master the concepts and really understand it, then definitely give me a call, 301-960-4950. Check out at AdkinsAcademy.com as well. We'd love to talk to you more and talk to you personally about how we can get your score into the 80s and 90s. All right, we'll talk to you soon.
Looking to earn $5,000 a week or more? The gateway to this lucrative career as a travel nurse begins with acing your TEAS exam. Adkins Academy stands as your trusted partner in this journey. With Adkins Academy, you'll gain the knowledge and confidence essential to becoming a successful travel nurse, unlocking incredible earning potential. Join us and pave your way to a rewarding and financially fulfilling future in nursing.
The Adkins Academy is an organization that I founded several years ago after working with many youth in the inner city of Washington, D.C., really helping with standardized exams. But then also with my medical background, I felt like I could do more to help students looking to get into nursing school and medical school.
Working with Dr. Adkins has definitely helped with taking future exams like the NCLEX exam, just because of all the real life experience and that he has and that he's passed on to us.
He really broke it down on how to understand what I should be studying for, what I should focus on, and what I should spend a little bit of time on.
With our virtual classroom, you can certainly take our class from a coffee shop, from the convenience of your home, or the library at your school, and we've had clients to do all of that.
He shows up on one panel of the screen, and then on another panel is the whiteboard or your notes section, and you can actually take notes within the program so that you can come back to them further.
Much like a physical classroom, you get the same exact qualities. I can hear you, you can hear me. I can see you, you can see me. And you certainly see our whiteboard as we go through questions. And as we dissect those questions down, and as I write on the whiteboard, you can see how we go through the explanations and really provide you with a very visual experience of how to solve these problems.
Brian is there the entire time, and you can open your mic and ask him questions immediately through the whole meeting, so you're able to correspond back and forth in real time.
we offer the Adkins Academy Guarantee, which is a 78 or better on your TEAS exam. 78 is the 85th percentile, so that means that you're doing better than 85% of the people in the country. That's what we guarantee.
You need to try this program. It just takes 5 Sundays. That's it. I ended up getting an 88%, which is a 98th percentile out of the entire country.
After working with him, I got my scores back and I was the 95th percentile in the nation.